Okay, good morning, traders. I hope you can hear me clearly. I see we have 17 people waiting. Now, it's a fine morning on our Friday morning. No, it's afternoon. It's afternoon. Actually, it's not morning. It's afternoon. I'm sorry that I'm late for the live analysis. I was supposed to start at 10 as usual, but today's on a Friday, so a bit a lazy Friday. So today what we are going to do is wrapping the week by doing what we have been analyzing throughout the week since Monday, checking out our winning rate and checking out our losses that we have had this week, and also checking the market outlook of today's. And yeah, we can wrap the week there. Also, I would like to see your testimonies. I want to see your comment sections. Did you benefit from the live analysis? I've been very active on YouTube since Monday, being live. From Monday, I did live on Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday, I didn't do analysis because of the CPI. I don't do fundamentals. And then I did it again on Thursday, yesterday, and then today's on Friday. That's been very active on YouTube. So I would like to see the trades that you took throughout the week. You can comment on the comment section. How many pips are you able to secure? So if you can hear me clearly, type yes on the comment section because I can't clearly see the comment on my side. I don't know. Okay. If you can hear me, tap yes or tap let a comment on the comment section so they can see that we are on the same page. Yes, more difference. Okay, I see your comment. Yes. Thank you. We are more than 20 people. Simon was asked yes. Okay. Today is a Friday, and for me, according to the way, I do see a lot of people. Good morning. Yes, we can hear you. Naomi Chege, thank you so much. Timothy Morage. Yes, I mean, bro. Okay. So today being on a Friday, we are going to do a back testing of what we have done the whole week. So as you'll be prepared from next week, how are you going to you're going to set yourself in the market from next week analysis. But if you get chances to have a trade today, no problem. So I'll dive into the market analysis, and then I'll do, of course, the first thing I do is a recap of what we did analysis yesterday, because yesterday I gave some trades, we did some analysis, and then I remember yesterday I remember who was it? I can't remember the name, but I can remember some few pairs you were checking out. And then, yeah, we continue from there. But I'll also do the recap from Monday, what we have been doing from Monday to all the way to Friday today. Okay, so I'll share the screen. We have more than enough people, more than 30 people, more than enough people. So those watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. Okay. I'll start, of course. Zero CHF has been on the first pair we do check each and every day. We start our live analysis. Okay, and then this week we have not been trading Euro CHF since we have not been having a clear direction of Euro CHF. And on daily it has been ranging. We don't have a clear direction, but still following this my trend line since it's being respected and then buying. But yes, still don't have a clear view on Euro CHF. Until I have a clear view, that's when you can now start trading Euro CHF. Euro card. Okay, Eurocard now is coming back to our order block. You remember the other day we said now the market broke the structure on the lower side. We're expecting these buys to come all the way to this order block on daily time frame so they can continue selling now. And then for hours, can you see a reversal structure? Yeah. So on 4 hours, the next area for you to have your buys is at this particular level because I can clearly see the markets now is forming a reversal structure over head and shoulder at this particular zone. Even if you come back to one, I can clearly see the inverse head and shoulder, the inverse head and shoulder. This is how it looks. We have the hair, we have the shoulder and the shoulder. So if you're looking forward to have your buys again, have your buys once the market comes back again to this area. Just this order block again. But I would really confirm for me my views at the shoulder because I believe shoulders are very powerful patterns come to trading the market structures. I hope you can hear me clearly. If you can hear me clearly, type yes. And then I'll be looking for us for more buys all the way to the order block, this order block, which is here. So I'm looking forward for more buys all the way to this order block here. But now, don't try to have your buys here, current market price. Wait for a little bit of correction, and then we continue buying all the way to the order block. And once we get to the order block on the daily time frame, we can now start selling again because the market broke the structure, indicating the market is bearish. We had a lot of failure swing here. You see, this is what we call a failure swing, a break of structure on the lower side. This is a change of character, so they can be a retest. So don't have your entries currently at the market price. So the only option you have is waiting for the market to come back to daily order block. But when waiting for the market to come back to the daily order block on 4 hours, we can clearly see that we have an inverse head and shoulder, which is here. Okay, so guys, can you hear me? Let me see on the comment section if you can hear me. I can see John Gadoga. He can confirm, is that a monthly order block? Let me confirm. I'll check on it. Start with GJ. Muindi Forex is saying I check on GJ. Okay. I'll just do a recap with all the recap of what we did yesterday. GBP card. I remember yesterday I gave a sell. And I gave a sale yesterday, moved a little bit of in profit, but then market came back again. It didn't go all the way to the take profit, but this one is an invalid order for me because on daily time frame, let me see. And remember, we have been on daily time frame is unable to break this area zone, and it's forming on daily time frame. We can clearly see the candlestick which the market is crossing with. So give it more time for that. So having an entry, I can't have an entry until the market comes back again to these areas of order blocks on 4 hours where we have been selling since Monday. US oil. US oil, I gave a sell, still learning. Yesterday, as I gave a sell on US oil. Guys, can you remember on US oil? Who remember this trade on US oil yesterday? Still running. Hey, almost to stop loss yet we goes. Okay, but I could be term. So remember these entries on the US oil yesterday, still bearish, and then yeah, leaving this order block on was indicating for more sales on US oil. Euro JPY, no, on JPY, as I said, I want a clear direction on it, but I gave this by yesterday. Yes, this is Euro JPY. Okay, still running into profit because I gave this analysis yesterday on Euro JPY, and I yes, I remember this entry. Haikuguza stop loss yetu, still running, iko sawa. Euro JPY iko sawa. And then USD JPY, I didn't give a value on USD JPY because it may move sana. So I said I want a clear correction on the USD JPYs, then we can have an entry. Also, these lives, I do not delete them. This live, you can go back to my YouTube channel, uweze kuziona, slow by slowly. Euro USD. Yesterday, we were looking forward for more sales until this also because I didn't give the sales yesterday because market icon and pay a clear indication for more sales because it was too low. This is the reason why I said the market is bearish. But now if the market is bearish, siwezi sell hapa chini. Ninangoja market ifanye nini? A retracement. So mtu ananiuliza about Euro USD. No. Mtu ananiuliza about sales on and najua ni hizi sales mnaona hapa hivi. No. I want to really go in for these sales. I would go with these sales za hapa because this is a major sales zones za Euro USD. So these sales za hapa sitazichukua. So I see John Gadoga ananiuliza about the sales. Bonteva, good morning. I can see you. So I know these sales mnaziona hapo, but for me, I'll wait for this second zone so I can have my long-term sales on Euro USD. So be patient for it. It will be all the way to this zone. Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD ni hii ya jana. I remember yesterday nikisema inarudi kwa inverted head and shoulder, but now, okay. So we have this zone. And remember, I know not an inverted, we have a head and shoulder. We have this head, shoulder, and then shoulder. Let me tell you, whenever we have a zone, unaona market imeuza hapo and then iko na this current candle. Let me just squeeze this thing. These two leaving. Whenever you have this zone, like it's a zone interest zone for you, and then you have this red candle divided by a green candle, in an indicating that this zone is an invalid area for sellers. So meaning e-market haitashuka. Even if you have this head and shoulder this market, haiwezi Let's go to 4 hour. Haiwezi haitashuka because this is an order block being left on this area. So confirming for me more buys. So for this, I can't really sell this area. So this one is an invalid one. So ninajua watu walikuwa nataka kuchukua because I did this analysis yesterday nikasema, and yesterday nakumbuka iko hapa nikamwambia bado iko valid until ingekuja directly without leaving this candlestick, it could have really confirmed for me for the entries. So this one is not an invalid, and I know Alinto Nani done wa laptop. Done wa laptop, I know you texted me on this pair. So this pair is not a valid entry. So step away from it. NZD card. We are looking for sales, and then because it's more sales in the sales sana, so I have an entries again. So the entries zitarudi tena hapa tulikuwa tunasell kwa hapa hivi because hapo ndo unaona order block, let's say on daily time frame. Yeah, that's why we have an order block also on daily time frame. You can clearly see this is the order block on daily time frame. So you have to wait for this market to come back again on there. On first, is there any reversal structure? A reversal structure is looking for an inverse head and shoulder. Not a clear one, but I can't see any reversal structure. So give it more time. Give it more time for this pair to mature. The CAD JPY, did I give a CAD JPY pair yesterday? I didn't give the views on CAD JPY. I gave on Euro JPY and USD JPY. And then GBP AUD. What were we checking on GPP? It seems I had a view on GPP AUD. What view did I have on it? Oh, I didn't have views on it because I remember I said this is a consolidation on daily time frame, and I didn't have a clear view on GPP. Do you see the week candlestick there on daily time frame? We go to the next one, GBP CHF. I gave a sell on GBP CHF yesterday. Still running. Oops, it hit our stop loss. I think we got to make a stop loss. Tungeka na candlestick key. Hit our stop loss, but it's still running because of this flag. I would say stay away stay away from the GBP CHF, no clear direction, because I expected more drops on this flag. You see, but it was a stop loss. Euro GBP. Did we have a yes? We had the view on Euro GBP. We had the view on Euro GBP because I gave the inverse head and shoulder. These more buys on Euro GBP. These are an inverse head and shoulder. I remember yesterday saying these sales, they are not valid because they're coming all the way back here, and then we are looking for more buys on Euro GBP. These are head and shoulder and the shoulder. So this is the view we had on Euro GBP. And let's see on daily time frame. Yes, there's a more buys. So where can we have our next buys on this pair? I would like it. There's not any order block. Wacha market yache order block so they can have a rent on 30 minutes. Is there order block? No. Kuna movement yote ya order block hapa. 15. Nothing. No entry because hakuna order block. Tunaweza chukulia entry wapi? So we can have an entry again here. Oh, again, and this market is so equals in a two ways. Let me show you this way. Let me show you these structures. You can clearly see this market has a head, a shoulder, and a shoulder, and then a head, a shoulder, and a shoulder. So we have to wait for this market to either break this area or break this area so you can have a clear confirmation, because on two sides there is inverse head and shoulder, which is head, shoulder, and shoulder, and then there's a head, a shoulder, and shoulder. So you have to wait for the market either to break this zone or either to break this zone so you can have a clear direction of the market where it's heading to. Are we together? So let's go to AUD card. Those pairs on the comment section, I'll come back and then check them. I see people saying there. Someone is saying GPP CHF, you said we wait for sales. Yes, I remember. XAUSD. I'm coming back to all the comment section on the YouTube. This is AUD card. AUD card, we have been looking for sales toka hiyo siku. But now tulisema yesterday imesell sana. Hizi pia zote sasa hizo zinafanya correction. But hizi correction I want to see where they are doing because hii ni reversal structure. This is a reversal structure hapa hivi. Hata nikiweka line chart, ukiconvert your market to a line chart, you can clearly see a head, a shoulder, and a shoulder here. So give it more times easy pia zote because we are on a bearish trend. Okay, there's a trend line which was being observed here, and naona ni kama break. Okay, so you see we have been in a long-term sales. There's a bit of correction, like a reversal structures, and then we break trend line. So as to confirm for us that the markets may change direction, come down and give them time so as you can have a clear direction of the market. NZD-CHF tulikuwa na sales ziko zina sell all the way jana, bado inarudi. This NZD, this is a consolidation again on 4 hours arranging. Let me see, since this one is valid also. Haiku move pips mingi on NZD-CHF. Let's go to daily time frame. Can you have wait for the closure of daily, because on daily time frame if the daily closes hivyo itakuwa a reversal structure overhead and shoulder bado upon daily time frame. Guys, can you see what I'm seeing on the laptop? So those watching me on my TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. You can be able to see all the live analysis I'm doing live on my YouTube channel. So my YouTube channel, the link is on the bio, and also you can go to my Telegram. The link is also there. Okay, so for this one we have to wait because we can have a reversal here because on daily time frame you can see these structures: the head, the shoulder, and the markets back to the shoulders. We can experience another reversal structure from this area. So let's wait for the closure of the daily time frame to confirm for us, because this one will be a long-term entry. It will be a long-term entry for us to continue. So that's what I'm saying. Give it more time. NZD-USD, I remember we had sales the other days. Yesterday nikasema no more sales because the market imefanya impulsive movements. Most of the pairs because may make impulsive movement kuanzia Monday to Wednesday. So yesterday on Thursday, most of the pairs we didn't have entries because of those markets zilikuwa zimestretch sana. Ukinotice zote zimefanya this a little bit of correction, but this correction is not a guarantee that the market may change direction from bearish to bullish. We have to give it more time to confirm for that it may change. Let's have this trend line here. I have seen this area. Okay. We can have our entries on USDCHF, no, NZDCHF, not NZDCHF, sorry, NZDUSD. You can have your entries again back once the market come back again to this area. Once market come back again to this area, we can have our sales again hivyo tuendelee sell, because let me tell you, market kubuy candlestick mbili ama tatu, that doesn't guarantee that the market has really changed the overall direction, because you can clearly see the market is on a bearish trend, meaning the market is still bearish. So a little bit of correction candlestick mbili kupanda haimaanishi market imechange direction yake sasa imekuwa bullish. No. I still go with the bias of the overall direction of the market. And now this is on gold. Okay, so gold, I gave this view on gold, and okay, I gave this view on gold. I said this order block on 1 hour. This is why I'm waiting for the market to come back again. Yesterday I didn't give the view on gold, but we had our sales. Hii wiki we had sales wapi? Tulikuwa na sales wapi? Hapa tulikuwa na sales hapa kwa flag, and then nakumbuka this on Monday. Yes, yeah, hata naona hapa hivi chini nimeandika Monday we had this sales hapa and we had this sales on flag. Hapa chini hakuna more sales for me because this market ime overstretch. So for me, this area, is there any way we can have an entry on gold? No. On gold, I would still wait for this market to come back again on this order block, because the same view I had yesterday on Thursday, I'll wait for it because itakuwa imerudi imeform the head, the shoulder, and the shoulder at this particular level. So I'll wait for this correction. But if correction hapa hivi, we can try to tap it. Until the market come back again to these areas, I will tell you stay away from the market until you do the zones, so you can have a very low risk entries for sales. Yeah. So let me tell you, gold kubuy hizi candlestick mbili haija guarantee that it may change direction. I know a lot of people wanaona kingangana na gold buys. This is a little bit of correction. Na hiyo isipokuwa very careful ama cautious, hii ndio ile market ikikupita kidogo ishuke kidogo itaenda to blow your account because you are trading against the trend. So make sure you're trading with the trend of the market. And if you're trading the trend of the market, make sure that you're looking for sales, because structure-wise, gold is very bearish. Hadi ukiangalia structure-wise, this is the structure of gold. You can clearly see this on 4 hours. This structure is very, very, very bearish. We have already broken even the structure, the low, the swing low. With the swing high and the swing low, we have already broken the swing low. This was the swing low because the market is holding below the swing low, meaning this market is still bearish. So the only entry point inakuwa naambia ni because you can see the head, the shoulder which was formed, the person ikashuka tena. So sasa naambia we have this structure yote here and then these areas. So I'm looking for this zone yenye nimemark hapa. Hii market to come back again all the way here and then sell. And let me tell you, we have over 40 people watching. Don't try to be the trick. Unajua naweza sema hivyo and then you see someone anasema because amesema sell ni hapa, let me have my buys all the way to here and then I sell. Never do that. Wait for the market. In forex trading, when it comes to market analysis, what we do is analyze, wait for the market to come back to your zone, which your waiting zone, and then you execute your trades. Si push market to buy and then you push market to sell. You want to unataka kukula buy zote na kukula sell zote. Hapana, stick to one thing. Stick to the thing is that I'm waiting for the market to come back to my zone because according to my strategy, this is the way that's showing me I'm supposed to have my entries here. And that's what I was talking about, your stepping stones in the market. Stepping stone is knowing where you're going to have your entry and where you're going to have your exit, because this market coming back to here is giving us a very clear and a high risk, a high reward risk in such a way that a reward from this area, it will going to be high because the amount of pips you're going to cover up from here, because upper market iko low. Hata ukitarget more pips, huwezi target more like market irudi na ishuke direct hapa hivi. So that's why I'm saying for the market, wait for a little bit of correction all the way to these areas and then we can continue selling this pair. The sales, are we waiting for gold? The sell one, we are waiting for gold. Yes, Mary Wangari, we are waiting for gold hapa hivi na yongoje rudi at these particular levels. Yes. Which zone is that? The zone ni hii nimemark. Can you see my laptop? Oh, YouTube is very clear. You can see the zone. Yeah. I know a lot of people have questions on gold. I want to actually nikaikae for gold. Let me see on the comment section which questions do you have on gold also. Ama you have any pair on gold, uniambia which pair are you? Hey sir, joining from home. I'm live on my YouTube. So people, when you're wako live on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. So that's why you can be able to see the analysis from. Okay. So is no hakuna watu wengi naona wakiuliza about gold, but those people who follow me, they know they trade currencies here. Okay. So for me, I would just be very patient and wait for this market to come back out there to the sales zones zenye nimeongoja. Let's continue. We still come back again to gold. USD ZAR. No, did we have a view on ZAR? No, we didn't have a view on USD ZAR. Yesterday I just commented have a check on USD ZAR because It's an exotic but has a high peak value. Euro NZD, I didn't have views on Euro NZD. Acha nitoe kwa watches kwanza. That pay inakuanga na GBP NZD. They have very high spreads. GBPSD. Yesterday we had GBPSD and I said this. The market will go up. Even nikamwambia there is no any indication that the market is going to buy. Another thing is the market is very bearish and there is no indication for the market to have a yes, it's bearish, but tumesonga sana sell sana. We have market imefanya impulsive movement, so huwezi endelea kuchukua entries hapo because you're selling low and the market ilishuka a little bit and then did a little bit of correction. This is not a reversal structure. If you can clearly see this one candlestick kama hizi two candlestick kupanda, it doesn't indicate now the GU imeanza kupanda. This is not a clear indication, and I insisted yet from yesterday. I said this is not a clear indication that the market has changed the direction from bearish to bullish. Now the zone on GU, this is a flag. This GU is still dropped. This is a flag also forming there. Okay, so is there a zone that I'm waiting for the market to come and do a little bit of correction at this zone? Hii market haina any order block. Order block zenye naona ni hizi za 4 hours at this particular level on GU. Hizi order block za hapa, hizi ni long term order block, but hizo ziko mbali, tuwezi trade hizo on daily time frame. Oh, is the market holding below? Yeah, market is also holding on the below the demand of the daily, major daily. Okay, so you have to mark hapa hivi. So wait for market and then until irudi huku chini, until you have a clear direction that the market may change character, because until you have a clear direction that the market may change character from bearish to bullish, and for us to have a bullish entries until we see the clear market structure ime change direction. Na direction si kuchange na hii candlestick moja. Direction lazima see the market structure that imeanza ku break structure on the lower side. Another thing imefanya reversal structures. Mnajua reversal structures zinakuanga gani? So you can have a clear view on GU. Currently venye iko hakuna venye inaweza force market hapo. USD tumekuwa tukiongoja on order block. Be patient, irudi kwa hiyo order block. Tumeweka the alert on that. Bitcoin, I saw Bitcoin ilikuwa imefunga. This is on daily time frame. Bitcoin ikifunga hivyo on daily time, this will be a flag. More tutaendelea kubuy more of it. And then let me talk about Bitcoin. Okay. So when it comes to Bitcoin, in such a situation yenye tuko nayo sahi, listen to this. We have over 35 people. These are very key thing I'm talking about. Okay. When it comes to forex trading, when it comes to analysis, we normally have technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentimental. What is driving Bitcoin right now is sentimental. It's not technical and it's not fundamentals. It's sentimental. And by sentimentals, I mean by the overall decision of investors. Currently, like Trump was backing up Bitcoin and major Bitcoin because he really used Bitcoin to pay staffs for streets. And you can know also mnajua kina Elon, they are backing up easy Pia Dogecoin. That's why it's really performing, and that's why I said that we are supposed to have a conversation about investing on cryptos, of which I said I'll come live and then we'll explain about more of it. So what currently I want to deliver the point is what's driving Bitcoin right now is not technicals. Is not yes, technicals it was preparing for it because on weekly nakumbuka hata nikimba hii like 2 months ago nikimba this was a flag. You can clearly see on our weekly time frame this was a flag which was you can clearly see. So the market was clearly this is a flag indicating for more buys, but currently market wise iko hapa hivi is sentimentals. The overall decision of investors, because a lot of people are buying Bitcoin. A lot of people are making pesa yake kwa Bitcoin. So the demand ya Bitcoin iko too much high. Iko too high. That's why unaona price every day is accelerating and inapanda. So hadi ukikuja hapa hivi, so a little bit of integration of technical itakusaidia, but now usijaribu kubishana na technical as in such a way that uanze kusema hii market because imeform this trend kana ama nini ya itaanza kusell. Hapana. Whenever you have sentimentals, market haijalingi kama kumeformiwa order block, kama kumeformiwa sijui candlestick ya kushuka, kama kumeformiwa nini, the market drives crazy na it escalate way high until the pressure, because this pressure investors until this pressure iishe. So make sure that you're not going against the overall decision of investors. And knowing the overall decision of investors, you know that the demand is too high for Bitcoin. So don't try to go against the overall trend of it. That's it's the same thing of saying that going trading with the overall direction of it. So on AUDSD, we have been looking for more sales, size imefika huku chini. So until hizi USD, we have to give them more time. So give more time until we have either reversal or a clear structure for it, because this upper says trade anything. According to my strategy, inionyeshi anything hapa hivi. Let's go to 1 hour. Let's go to 4 hours. This is more, the market is still bearish. This is still bearish. This market is still bearish. This market is still bearish. Now, the market inionyeshi anything. This is not a reversal structure. So this market indicates for me still bearish. And there's no anything, I'm not going to have an entry. JPO basket. Wow. JPO basket has failed to break this and confirming more bulls, meaning GBP may break the structure on the lower side. Yes, we are going on there on GBP Okay, so this is JPO basket. You can clearly see we have the demand market imeshindwa to break that zone. Imefanya very impassive. This is on 4 hours, indicating a very bullish. Kwani kumekuwa na news? Sorry, I have not checked. One thing unafaa kuwa unaangalia kila siku ni news. Kumekuwa na news za GBP 10 am ishapita. USD for that tuko na hizi hazikuangi more volatile hata kama ziko red. We don't have any volatile news today. Okay, so on 1 hour is there order block imerudi imeachwa? Ayeyeye, hakuna. Indicating for mobiles. Okay, break. Let me show you. Nimeona a good way. There's this trend line iko hapo on JPY basket. So a re-entry on JPY basket for selling GJ is within this market irudi hapa. This JPY basket because break trend line irudi hapo. Ikirudi kutest hapo, it continue to more buys. So itakuwa imekuja ku activate this zone here. That's the buying for GBP. This is the buying zone for basket. So if this is the buying zone of basket, so we are going to hit a retracement on GBP JPY so we can continue selling. Okay, so let's go into GBP JPY. So yesterday we had the paid, haikufika TP hapa hivi, but ilifika hapa, we gave the buys hapa. So now we have changed the direction on JPY. And changing on direction on JPY, it means that now we are looking for more sales on it. Let me show you. Okay, so nisione ni so easy correction tutaziexpect nazo hii market irudi ikuje test hapa, and then we continue selling on GJ. Let's go on daily also. Yes. Na hizi sales zitakuja all the way hadi hivi. So next week tutakuwa tunakula hizi sales za GJ sasa. So I hope tutakuwa tuna good entries on it. Okay, so that's the view on GJ. So the view is now the market may break vizuri. So we are going, because having an entry on GJ, you have to check also correlation on JPY basket, meaning tutongoja retracement on JPY basket hadi hapa, because JPY basket na haina retest, haijafanya any retest. Hadi tukirudi kwa 1 hour, haijafanya any retest. Haijafanya any retest. So tutongoja hii market ifanye a retest all the way to this zone so we can have a re-entry on GBP JPY. Hold on to the questions nikimaliza hizi analysis, and then tunaangalia AUDCHF. AUDCHF tulipeana sales hapa but ina move slowly. Yesterday hata ilikuwa pair jana pia. Kama uko na entries weka stop loss at break even, because hii consolidation kwanza jana si mtu amechoka hizi zote wana imehold sasa AUDCHF. Hiyo ni imeconsolidate sana. Have your stop losses at break even on AUDCHF. USD CAD tulisema tuongoje irudi hapa because of break of structure on 4 hours, and then itakuwa imerudi kwa hizi hapa. Kuna order block iko hapa. Now we have to consider now this order block. So there's a very fine order block on 4 hours. So this is a view on USD CAD. So patiently waiting for this market, and I've been educating you about how to check a valid order block and how an order block inapanga valid, because we have seen the order block on 4 hours. You have to clearly know how to check the order block on 4 hours. So those on YouTube and those on TikTok, go and watch me on YouTube channel. I'm live on my YouTube channel. Yeah. Is joining from home. Okay, go and watch me on YouTube channel. You can see the charts. Okay, now I'm done with the view on what we did yesterday. So we have been doing the analysis since Monday. I've been coming live. We do analysis each and every day. So I want to say, which pair did you take this week from my analysis? Let's see on the comment section. Which pair did you benefit from? Which pair did you take? Let's see on the comment section also. Let's engage. And also from that thing, we are going to check which losses, which pair did you take and it hit stop loss. using my analysis that I gave here, tutaangalia, because I believe we don't have more than 3 losses this week, and we have so many winning rates because trades zenye tumechukua nazo ni mingi sana hii wiki kuanzia Monday. Okay, so let me see on the comment section. Mary Wangari, which pair did you trade this week? Also, I want to see a comment from Bonteva, and I want to see a comment from Kathoga, yeah, and Alex. So, okay. So on the comment section, Mary Wangari is saying check CAD JPY. Okay, this is CAD JPY. Okay. According to the JPY basket, CAD JPY iko bearish. Wait for it. Iko na imeacha order block on 1 hour. This is the only zone tunaweza ngoja, so wait for it until irudi hapo because it's on bearish. So usijaribu kubuy hapa nani Mary Wangari. Is it Mary Wangari? Yeah, don't try to buy this CAD JPY hapa. No. These buys are passive valid. Don't try that. Don't try that. I know actually this sells itakuja all the way hadi hapa. Kuna hiyo zone hapa. Yeah. Don't try. So wait for sales on CAD JPY, and waiting for sales ni kuangalia the structures, but because I'm bearish because of them, I joined your live session yesterday, my first session, and now today. Okay, great. So Mary Wangari amesema amejoin my live session kuanzia jana. Thank you so much. Bonteva amesema I take AUDCHF. Oh, you took this AUDCHF. You're still running on this AUDCHF. Imagine imekutesa, but it's in profit. So you can just secure using your stop loss at break even. I hope you know about I hope you know how to check, and I know how to press and break even. So Samuel Maura is saying, explain a valid OB. Okay, I'll explain about a valid OB. More questions? Vincent about Rudia GJ. Vincent Rubin. I want to see those people who have been live on since Monday. Mmekuwa mkitrade nini since Monday? The analysis, because and then I want someone a comment. I'm not the one going to give the win rate. I want someone and comment here the win rate since we did the analysis since Monday. Our total copper 36. I barely know a lot of them. Maybe you are CJ Kopara now, but I want to see the comment section, which is the win rate for us because we have done analysis since Monday. That tumefanya analysis zeros are before and after. Before and after. So I want to see someone comment there. This is my second day of analysis. Take some trades. Okay, Timothy, yeah, me too, because you joined Timothy for CGM1 hapa. But I know my people in your since Monday. This is a live analysis. So I want to see them commenting when you're in here analysis because nimeanza is the analysis since Monday. So I want to see them commenting what is the winning rate yenye tuko nayo. So as mwenye ako hapa ajue kama ako safe price on this live analysis, ajue how to approach this analysis. I want just a general comment because today is on Friday. I want to see what are we doing. Is it productive? Is it rewarding? What is it? Okay. So by the time I'm waiting for those comments, let me check the other pairs on your Tanambia. Okay. So Abdallah is saying the win rate is 85%. Okay, so explain about valid order block. That's what I'll explain. I'll explain what is a valid order block by the end of this slide. Yeah, Chania, unikumbushe before the end. So more comments. Eric alikuwa ameniambia NZDCHF please again. Okay, let me go again to NZDCHF. NZDCHF. So on NZDCHF, we have been looking for more sales. Just a little bit on NZDCHF. And okay, so I said on NZDCHF, this is what we are going to wait on the daily time frame. By checking on the daily time frame is meaning that because on daily time frame, you can clearly see we have an inverse head and shoulder here. So just giving more time at the close of today's daily so I can have a clear direction on the NZDCHF. So those watching me on TikTok, kindly I'm live on my YouTube channel. That's why you can be able to see me live and see the analysis I'm doing. You know, TikTok, you can't share the screen. NZD card and AUD card. Alex, you took NZD card and AUD card? So Alex is said 80% profit. Okay, NZD card and AUD card. NZD card. Yeah, NZD card, we took it. Tulikuwa still on tujapeana another entry on NZD card because tulisema the market imefanya more impulsive movement on it. So NZD card and AUD card. Okay, AUD card. Let me see the AUD card on it. AUD card, AUD card. This is AUD card. Okay, so AUD card nimesema give it more time because umeona shaisha break at a trend line yetu until we see a reversal structure on it. Okay, nimekumbuka. Nimepeana this pair a reversal back to the shoulder. We can have these entries here. Ikirudi kwa hii shoulder. This is the only buying zone ya AUD card. GBP card. No, I'm asking the comment. Vincent na card JPY, great GBP card. Guys, no, wangapi wamekuwa hizi live zangu since Monday. Bonteva aje comment and I've seen Bonteva since Monday. Amekuwa kwa live yangu. No, Bonteva, you have been on my live since Monday. I haven't seen your comment about our analysis. Okay, Vincent is saying, can you check KJPY? KJPY I've explained. I said KJPY is this KJPY. Don't look for buys, look for sells. Because KJPY is, I know it's on this area, but I'm looking for more sells because of the JPY basket. JPY basket is bullish, so I'm waiting for the little bit of correction all the way to this OB to endelea to sell. Yeah, so, but still bearish on KJPY. GBP card, I haven't checked GBP card today. Have I talked about it? GBP card, GBP card, GBP card. Okay, no, GBP card I don't have a view on it. GBP card tumeongoja irudi kwa hizi 4 hours. Nimekumbuka hizi these order blocks are 4 hours. Yeah, so we're waiting for these easy sells, more sells on because GBP card is bearish. The reason why you're saying it's bearish because you can clearly see the structures. It'll break the structure on the lower side. Let me show you. This is the overall analysis on GBP card. So you can clearly see the direction. So no, that is it. So you can clearly see the market has already broken the structures. And now we are looking for more sales on GBP card. So, but more sales will be back again, tracing the trend line and back testing also the order block there. Bonteva is saying the analysis are 73 profit. Okay, one person is saying 73, most of them they are saying 85. Okay, the high percentage continue more comments. And there's nobody who has 100% analysis. There's nobody who doesn't have the stop losses are never hit. The good thing about us is that we must have a stop loss in each and every entry. We must have a stop loss in each and every entry. Okay. Okay. So more comments. And then how long have been this? Nimekuwa live for how long? I think it's more than 40 minutes. It's 12:53. More than 40 minutes. Okay. We are winding up. So let me see more comments. No any other questions so as I can explain a valid order block. So Timothy Moraga is in, but for the 2 days I have attended your live, I'm confident with your analysis and ready some trades in future. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best. Okay, so that's enough. We can clearly see we have a very positive feedback on the comment section because this is a free space. Okay, so let's continue and I explain to what's called a valid order block. So I'll explain, I think I'll use GBP to explain to you what is a valid order block. Is there any pair currently we have a valid an order block? Any pair, let me check. I think GBP we had a very valid order block so that I can explain what is an order block. So someone is saying, sir, when are we having the cryptos live session? We have a private class with you. So I'll explain about the more of crypto with you. So I'll guide you with the private class we have with you. So remind me when we have our lesson. I know we have not had sessions today, but remind me when we are having the private session with you, I'll explain more about the crypto. Yeah. GPP card has 1 hour OB. Let's check GPP card. GBP card. Where's GBP card? Do I have GBP card on my watch list? Yeah. 1 hour OB. Okay, yeah. Now this is an okay. Yeah, this is a valid one. Okay. So we have this OB on GBP card. And this is how we check. So I'll have to remove these drawings. Allow me to remove these drawings. Delete and then delete. Sorry. Okay. And remove these. Okay, so this is what we have an OB here. And this is a valid OB because, let me explain what is a valid OB. A valid OB is the one which breaks the structure high. You can see this is a structure high. and the market has already broken the structure high, indicating that this is a valid OB, because there has to be a BMS or BOS, so as we can now check that this is a valid OB. So once the market comes back here, so we have not identified this order block on 4 hours. You can clearly see on 4 hours, you can see the order block. It's not up on the green on 4 hours, but we go to 1 hour, we can clearly see. That's why you can be able to see the order block equal up. So meaning this order block equal valid on 1 hour. So within the time frame that is observed the order block, wait for that market to come back to that area, and the candlestick within the time frame that you saw the order block should close within or above, not below, but either within or above. Either below, unless it breaks with the wick, but either within or above the body. I'm talking about the body, not the wick. We know in a candlestick we have an open, close, high, and low. So I'm talking about it closes. So the market has to close either within this order block. An order block, you don't mark an order block using a horizontal line like this way. You can't mark an order block this way. Now you tell me this is an order block. No, 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 no. An order block, you use a rectangle. You mark the whole candlestick, because an order block is a candlestick. Yeah, so you mark using the whole candlestick. So that's what we call an order block. So either the market close within or above. That's how now we are able to identify a valid order block. So I hope I have explained of a valid order block. So someone is saying, Kendry, which indicator do you use? You can clearly see my chart. There's no any indicators. So for me, are indicators necessary? No, indicators, they are not necessary. The reason why I can talk about indicators, I find indicators is like a prime makeup. You know, see makeup. I believe everybody's beautiful the way they are without makeup. So makeup is just like a prime makeup, and indicators we have like those EMAs and all those. They are lagging indicators. So an indicator won't make a decision for you to buy or to sell. It's up to you. Okay, so GBP please. We have seen GBP we don't have any view because the market has had imefanya an impressive movement, and currently there's not any confirmation that imefanya there's going to have buys. Haijafanya any correction movement, any correction structures. So I think we have widened up the live. So on the comment section, so I wish you a very good, nice week. On today's entries, I don't have any entry today because PZ to the I have not seen any entries today. So I'll see you on Monday again. Monday analysis, of course, we are going to have deeper analysis again on Monday morning. So I'll see you on to the next live session. Thank you for staying on my live YouTube. And make sure that you hit the notification bell. That's the only way you can benefit from this live. So as anytime I go live, you can be notified. And also share this live with your friends. Recommend them to be coming and watching me live. Tell them to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's the only way you can support, because this is a free mentorship. Which time do you work for OB? Okay, for me, the best OB I can see is 1 hour and 4 hours and daily. And also for daily, you have to wait for the whole day to close so you can check it's a valid order block. Okay. Yes. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, and then of course this weekend I'm going to drop 2 videos. Tomorrow is on Saturday. Yeah. Tomorrow I'm dropping 2 videos on my YouTube channel. Make sure that you watch them. Thank you so much. Yes. Can we just say bye-bye? Type on the comment section bye-bye, and also hit that like button on there. Okay, hi Samuel, and I'll be giving out shout out, and note that we also be giving out giveaways on the YouTube. For those people active on YouTube, I'll be doing giveaways. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Just a little bit. Someone is saying, thank you, sir. Bye bye. Duncan Kamau. Yes, Duncan. Bye bye. I've seen you. At least nimekuona leo hapa. Mary saying bye bye, and Bonteva, bye bye. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much for joining my live. Okay, for the 40 people, we had more than 47 people. Bye bye.